Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can use the canvas. So the middle part where we create our 3D models is a canvas, and you can see here to zoom the canvas you can scroll your middle mouse button. To pan in the canvas, just hold middle mouse key and just drag your mouse, and to change the camera angle hold the right mouse button and just drag to change it. You can see here at down we have four types of cameras: perspective, free, orthographic and isometric. We will be using perspective and orthographic camera only. Then we have a scale option. If you click on the scale option, you can toggle the scale here like this. If you right click on the scale and drag it, you can see the camera angle changes by a specific angle, which is 5, and which is similar for the bottom scale also. And the other option is camera reset. So let's say if you are lost in the view and you don't know how to get back, so you can just click on the camera reset button and you get back to the default view. We have two modes here, a modeling mode and a rendering mode. In rendering mode, you get option to render your 3D object, which we will see in depth in our future videos. And then we also have a snapshot option here. With the help of it, we can create our screenshots of a 3D model. Okay guys, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.